remembers a time back in 2011 when the world was a simpler, easier, more fun place to be. In a small bakery in northern New Jersey, two friends got together every week, determined to teach the world how to bake.
Crumb and the producer!
And YouTube was never the same.
Hey everybody, Crumb here!
It sunk like the Titanic in here.
Hey! Crumb and the producer! Crumb everybody!
Whether it was making the #1 recipe on YouTube for buttercream, or icing fudge brownies, or teaching the world how to make eclairs, I was literally always working. Wait, that doesn't sound right.
Oh! Ratchet! It's like vomit! Like people don't eat that! It totally stinks!
So, here we are in 2020, and well, YouTube, it's time to get ready. Hold on to your crumb buns, because guess what's coming back?
Yay!
Better, bigger, and so much more exciting. Wait, one more thing. Don't forget to check us out on our other channels at Funhouse TV and Gretchen's Vegan Bakery.
What's the difference?
What's the difference between this and that?
That's purple, this is orange. Hey everybody, Crumb here.
Hey Crumbles. These are Daisy Cupcakes.
Yes, they are.
Now Daisy Cupcakes are good.
Yes, they are.
Okay, so why don't you show everybody today how to make Daisy Cupcakes?
Alright, we will. We just did a video, guys, on how to make the daisy flour to put on your cakes. So if you want to check that out, it's very similar to what I'm going to do here, only instead of forming it on a flour nail, I'm going to form it directly onto the cupcake.
Ooh.
Alright, so you might want to check out the daisy, how to make a daisy buttercream flour video, because, you know, it's a little bit, I showed the technique a little bit better.
Yes.
Well, not to say better, because we didn't do this yet.
Okay,
This will be better.
so you have vanilla cake cupcakes.
Yeah.
Alright.
And I have buttercream colored green. I like to make all my flowers and butterflies on some green buttercream because it looks like grass.
I have a question for you, because other bakeries and different places and grocery stores and stuff, you know, they don't, you put a lot of, you know, buttercream on your stuff. You load up your stuff.
Yeah.
It looks beautiful.
Yeah.
You go to like other places and it doesn't look
Yeah,
like
just
that.
a little bit of it.
It's just like a little bit of it.
We don't like to cheap out, you know. I make things the way I like to eat things, so when you buy something from my bakery, it's going to be the way I like to eat it, and I don't like to cheap out. So.
Good.
Alright, so I've got my buttercream base for my daisy. And this is a little bit more difficult because I have to still rotate this cupcake like I showed you in the flour nail.
Okay, yeah, that's
and
good.
And so, you know, it does take a little technique, and you've got to kind of get the feel of it.
Okay, so you're turning your hand.
Same thing. The tip of the pedal tip is the fat tip down.
Okay.
I have to get this buttercream off my finger now or else I won't be able to turn it.
Okay, here we go. Go ahead.
All right. So fat tip down, start in the middle. As I'm turning my cupcake, I'm going to go up and back down, sort of like a petal shape or like a teardrop shape. Okay, just like that.
Okay.
Turn it a little bit, go up and back around.
That's cool.
Yeah, so I'm forming this one directly onto the cupcake, whereas on the other video I did it on a parchment square.
Gotcha. All right. Let's do one more and see how that comes out. So up, turn, up, turn, up, turn, up, turn, up, turn, up, turn.
Okay.
That's pretty. Now these daisy cupcakes have this big white thing in the middle, not like the buttercream daisies you made.
I am just using white chocolate discs that I have.
Okay.
You could use, like in the other video, you could use just a drop of buttercream to make the center.
Yes.
Whatever you have, your preference.
Okay, so here we have how to make buttercream daisies on top of the Crumb vanilla cake and buttercream, and she showed you the technique on how to make buttercream daisies, and now she made them bigger on top of the buttercream cupcake, not the buttercream cupcakes, the vanilla cupcakes. So again, you guys, just take your time. You know, you saw, what was it, turn your hand?
Yeah, turn your hand counterclockwise as you're forming your petal
Yes.
sort of like up and down clockwise. So it's like you're almost turning your hands this way.
Okay.
See how one's going one way? So
Yeah.
it does take a little bit of practice, but practice makes perfect.
And then you can have perfect daisy cupcakes just like these. Only made by
Crumb.